Chris was passed out. What did you do to him?
He attempted to escape and was taught a painful lesson. It is time. Decides on data that was collected during previous battles against you. I'm eager to see if they're powerful enough to defeat you.
It's over 9,000!
Well, team, I believe some congratulations are in order.
You're stupid.
After all, my plan worked even more perfectly than expected. Well?
Way to go, dude?
Don't mention it. I'm just doing my job. Now that I know where the Tyrannoids are coming from, I can put a stop to this alien menace once and for all.
Impossible! Stupid.
With utter disregard for my own safety, I've drawn up an ingenious plan for an attack on Tyrannosis. First, I shall humbly step aside, allowing Ratchet to free-fall down and take out the mortar launchers at the landing site. Once the mortars have been silenced, the dropship will make its descent. Next, Ratchet will take the assault vehicles from the dropship, make his way to the 4 plasma cannon turrets, and destroy them. Once the turrets have been knocked out, Ratchet will personally lead the assault on the main enemy base. All right, let's get to it! Yes, you there in the front.
Yeah, hi. I was just wondering, what are the rest of you gonna be doing while I'm down there getting blasted?
We'll be monitoring the situation closely from here. Actually, we'll be down at the lunch buffet on Deck 5. It's Meatloaf Day. But we'll be rooting for you every step of the way.
Yeah, man, we got your back.
The plan is excellent.
Well, I must be off now. Dirty laundry and whatnot.
Who is responsible for this outrage?
I believe it.
Oh, Janice, you'll always be the love of my life.
You really should have that looked at.
Captain.
So, what do you like to do for fun? Oh, my goodness.
So, whatever happened to Quark?
I heard he was working at Megacorp.
All right, fellas, nice and tight now.
So you tested this, right? Oh, wait! That's why I'm here! Oh, one more thing!